Hey everyone, Kyle here from Bostick Family Light Show. Here with you to do a quick unboxing on some new pixels I got from Mattos Designs. So let's get into it. So in the box we have some of Mattos Designs signature stickers. Wife always loves getting these. These are always fun to get. Looks like we got some mac and cheese now, so this is something new. So he's now including a meal on him, so that's pretty cool. And then we have the boxes of pixels now. Open this on up. You can see pixels come in a box now. Looks like these are 12 volt and X Connect, and we got 2 per box, so it looks like there's 100 per box. So thank you Mattos Designs, we're super excited. What we're going to do is I'm actually going to put some matrix panels up in my office just for some extra accent lighting and stuff like that. So these will be great for those. So thanks again for getting these sent out, and we'll see you guys soon.